To begin creating your website with Wix, navigate to the Wix homepage using your preferred web browser. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate more efficiently as you build your site. Once you're on the Wix homepage, locate the login button situated in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will initiate the login process, allowing you to access your Wix account. After clicking the login button, you'll be presented with various login options. Select the Continue with Google option to streamline the login process using your existing Google account credentials. This method simplifies authentication and saves you from having to remember another set of login details. Upon choosing to continue with Google, you will be prompted to select the specific Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the one associated with your Wix projects. Once selected, proceed by following the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the dashboard where you'll notice the Wix logo. This logo serves as a quick way to return to the main dashboard from any part of the website builder, ensuring you always have a way to navigate back to the starting point. Next to the Wix logo, you'll find your website's name. Clicking on this name allows you to toggle between different websites you've created, or to initiate the creation of a new site. This feature is particularly useful if you manage multiple websites, enabling easy switching without the need to log out and back in. To access additional features such as the app market, updates, courses and lessons, look for the Explore option and click on it. The app market offers a wide range of integrations and tools that can enhance your website's functionality. While updates keep you informed about the latest changes and improvements to the Wix platform, if you need professional assistance with your website, navigate to the Hire a Professional section. This option connects you with experts who can help you design, develop, or optimize your site, ensuring it meets your specific needs and standards. For any questions or issues you encounter, the Help section is your go-to resource. By clicking on Help, you gain access to a comprehensive library of articles, frequently asked questions, and support options that can guide you through common challenges and provide solutions. When you're ready to elevate your website further, consider upgrading your subscription plan. Click on the Upgrade option to explore various plans that offer enhanced features, increased storage, and additional tools to support the growth and scalability of your website. At the top center of your dashboard, you'll find a search bar. This powerful tool allows you to search through your website's content, settings, and features quickly. Whether you're looking to edit a specific page or find a particular tool, the search bar helps you navigate efficiently without wasting time. To keep track of your communications, click on the inbox icon. This section displays all your messages, notifications, and updates related to your website. Regularly checking your inbox ensures you stay informed about any interactions or important updates that require your attention. Staying informed about the latest notifications is crucial. Click on the notification bell to view all recent alerts related to your website's activity, updates, and any actions required on your part. This centralized notification system helps you manage tasks effectively and stay on top of your website's performance. To stay updated with the latest features and improvements, click on New Releases. This section provides detailed patch notes and updates, ensuring you are always aware of new tools and enhancements that can benefit your website. Managing your account settings is essential for maintaining control over your website's information and security. Click on your profile photo to access account settings, where you can update personal information, adjust security preferences, and log out when necessary. On the left panel of your dashboard, you'll notice a variety of quick action options. These shortcuts allow you to perform common tasks swiftly, enhancing your overall workflow and making site management more efficient. Here you can add various elements to your site, such as events, tools, site content, contacts, and leads. These components are essential for building a comprehensive and interactive website that meets your audience's needs and drives engagement. Additionally, you can utilize the search function within the Quick Actions panel to find and add specific actions you desire. This feature ensures that you can customize your website with the exact tools and functionalities you need without hassle. To further assist you in building your website, click on Setup. This guide provides step-by-step instructions and tips that can help you jumpstart your website creation process, ensuring you don't miss any crucial steps along the way. Returning to your dashboard is simple. Click on Home to view an overview of your website's current status, including recent activity, performance metrics, and quick links to various sections of the Wix platform. Managing financial aspects of your website is straightforward with the Getting Paid section. Here you can handle payment methods, invoices, proposals, and POS checkout, ensuring that all transactions are processed smoothly and efficiently. If your website hosts events, navigate to the events section. This feature allows you to add events to your site, as well as view drafts and categorize your events for better organization and management. Keeping track of your sales is essential for any business. Click on Sales to view and manage all your sales transactions, analyze performance, and make informed decisions to drive growth and profitability. Enhancing your website's functionality is easy with the Apps section. Here you can explore the app market and install various integrations that can add new features and capabilities to your site, tailored to your specific needs. Backend management of your site is handled in the Site and Mobile App section. This area provides access to templates, SEO tools, site speed optimizations, and other essential backend features that ensure your website operates smoothly and reaches your target audience effectively. Revisiting your inbox to view messages ensures that you stay connected with your site's visitors and customers. Regularly checking your inbox helps you maintain strong communication and respond promptly to any inquiries or feedback. Building and managing your customer base is made easy in the Customers and Leads section. Here you can create new contacts, manage segments, and track leads, allowing you to nurture relationships and drive conversions effectively. Marketing your website is crucial for attracting and retaining visitors. Click on Marketing to manage your social media accounts, launch marketing campaigns, and implement referral programs that can help increase your site's visibility and reach. Understanding your website's performance is key to making informed decisions. Navigate to the Analytics section to gain a holistic view of your website traffic, access customized reports, and analyze data that can guide your strategy and improvements. Streamlining your website operations is possible through automation. Click on Automation to create and manage automated processes that can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important aspects of your business. Accessing and adjusting your site settings is straightforward. Click on Settings to customize various aspects of your website, ensuring it aligns with your brand, preferences, and functional requirements. Finally, when you're ready to refresh or redesign your website, scroll to the bottom and click on Design Site. This option allows you to choose a new template or generate a custom design, providing endless possibilities to enhance your website's appearance and user experience. Throughout this process, remember to regularly save your progress and preview your site to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Taking the time to explore each feature and tool within Wix will empower you to create a professional and effective website tailored to your specific needs. As you navigate through the Wix platform, don't hesitate to utilize the help and support resources available. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or seeking inspiration for your site's design, these resources can provide valuable assistance and guidance. Additionally, staying updated with new releases and updates ensures that your website benefits from the latest features and security enhancements. Regularly checking for updates helps you maintain a modern and secure online presence. Engaging with the app market allows you to expand your website's capabilities beyond the basics. From adding e-commerce functionality to integrating social media feeds, the apps you choose can significantly enhance your site's functionality and user experience. Managing your site's SEO settings is crucial for improving its visibility on search engines. Utilize the SEO tools available in the Site and Mobile App section to optimize your content, meta descriptions, and keywords, helping your website attract more organic traffic. Effective communication with your audience is key to building a loyal customer base. Use the inbox and customer sections to engage with visitors, respond to inquiries, and manage relationships that can drive repeat business and referrals. Leveraging marketing campaigns and referral programs can amplify your website's reach. By strategically planning and executing these campaigns, you can attract new visitors and encourage existing customers to spread the word about your services or products. Analyzing your website's traffic and performance metrics provides insights that can inform your strategy. Use the Analytics section to identify trends, measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, and make data-driven decisions to enhance your website's performance. Automating repetitive tasks not only saves time but also ensures consistency in your website's operations. Implementing automation workflows can help you manage tasks such as email marketing, data entry, and customer follow-ups efficiently. Customizing your site settings allows you to tailor your website to your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's adjusting security settings, configuring payment options, or setting up user permissions, the settings section provides the tools you need to manage your site effectively. When designing or redesigning your website, consider the user experience. Choose templates that are visually appealing and easy to navigate, ensuring that visitors can find the information they need quickly and effortlessly. Incorporating multimedia elements such as videos, images, and interactive features can enhance your website's engagement. Using high-quality visuals and multimedia content can make your site more attractive and retain visitors' attention longer. Regularly updating your website's content keeps it fresh and relevant. Whether you're adding new blog posts, updating product listings, or refreshing your homepage, ongoing updates can help maintain your site's appeal and performance. Ensuring your website is mobile friendly is essential in today's digital landscape. Utilize Wix's mobile optimization tools to guarantee that your site looks and functions seamlessly on all devices, providing a positive experience for every visitor. Building a successful website is an ongoing process that involves continuous learning and adaptation. Take advantage of the tutorials, guides, and support resources offered by Wix to stay informed about best practices and new features that can benefit your site. By following these comprehensive steps and utilizing the powerful tools available within the Wix platform, you can create a professional, functional, and engaging website that meets your unique needs and goals. Take your time to explore each feature, experiment with different designs, and continually refine your site to achieve the best possible results. Remember, building a website is not just about placing elements on a page, it's about creating an online presence that effectively communicates your message, showcases your offerings, and engages your audience. With Wix's intuitive tools and versatile features, you have everything you need to bring your vision to life and build a website that stands out in the digital landscape.